rätte fraserna.
Jag tänker på.
Girls today society go for classical poetry, so when their heart was woke with these Aeschylus and Euripides, one must know Homer, believe me, Poe, Sophocles, also Sappho, unless you know Shelley or Keats or Poe. Dainty Demis will call you a dope, but the poet of them all. Start the simply raven, the poet people call. The bard of Stratford and Avon, rush up your Shakespeare, start quoting him now. Rush up your Shakespeare, and the women you will wow. Just to climb a few lines from Othello, and you think you're a hell of a fella. If the blonde won't respond when you flatter, tell her what Tony told Cleopatra. If she fight when her clothes she want to see, what her clothes was to do above the scene. Rush up your Shakespeare, and they'll all downtown. Rush up your Shakespeare, start quoting him now. Rush up your Shakespeare, and the women you will wow. If you can't be a heaven to Hamlet, they will not give a damn or a Hamlet. And your lap will have money upon it. When your baby is pleading for pleasure, that is sample your measure for measure. Rush up your Shakespeare, and they'll all count out. Rush, and they'll all count out. Leave it, they'll all count out. Midsummer night dream.